Hey everybody, Hope Savara here with Mother Trucker Yoga. I'm inside of Kenworth, back in the sleeper, and now I know it's not stuffed with stuff like I'm out on the road, but I want to show you something that you can do to help eliminate spinal and back pain. Now, I want you to find a spot inside your cab, preferably by your sleeper, so you can be in more of like a kneeling position. Now, if this bothers your knees, feel free to just start more upright and stay here until you start doing the stretch. Find a spot where you can grab or grip that's about shoulder height. So I'm just gonna grab right here in this cubby. You might find something else nearby, make it work. A lot of what we do here is just a make it work moment. So once you grab hold of a lip, a ledge, a handle, whatever you can find, try to extend your body far enough back so that there's a little bit of traction going on and it's almost like you're too far away. We're gonna sling the spine and create almost like a hammock effect for the back to decompress. Gripping hold of that little ledge here, I'm going to keep scooching my knees back until my knee is maybe in line with the hip, more or less. Nice deep breath in, and then slowly sinking down through the head, through the shoulders, through the rib cage, through the underarm. You're going to notice a big stretch through the underarm carriage here, and then possibly flipping then more to the erectors in the lower back. You may even feel this down the legs and the hamstrings. So I'm going to stay down here. Really try to drop my body as much as I can. Hold it for a slow count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring yourself back up. Big breath in, and then again, down slow. Hold it and breathe out. 5, 4, relax the neck. 3, relax the shoulders. 2, 1, bring yourself up. And then again, sling it down. Really try to relax your body. Try to let go of any resistance. Hold it 2. Hold it 1, bring yourself up, and then slowly bring yourself back down. Now you could do that same move up to 10 times or until you start really noticing that mobility increase. The tighter your shoulders are, the more restriction you're gonna find. So take it easy and take it slow. This is just one of the great moves over at Mother Trucker Yoga that you can do to feel better wherever.